Mama wakwaba diaba GCN page so meeting ede adwoa searchim and then the kanya wode ATM ya mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so ubenya notification ene sa ne news ede betum bia ubenye biatie anase ubenye biahwe ewo GCN page ha Mary Boadu eka omo ekasa de ma NDC amayoku no ewo Facebook. Na Mary kyerese na oye NPP ni a ne maame ne nua akra ne His Excellency na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo. But o shift ko NDC eko campaign ma mampani dada John Dramani Mahama ewo 2020 because na osusu se amembu a NPP amayoku na His Excellency na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo ebu ni sisie no enye. Corruption ewom too much. Na omampani dada John Dramani Mahama na membu a obue na enema a oye no na eye far better than the CC NPP eye no nti na o campaign de ema omampani dada John Dramani Mahama na fenso odo omampani dada Mahama yie pa na NDC nti na o shift ekoye campaign de ema omo no na Mary say after 2020 election no NDC amayoku mpenfo no mu ada no mu achidi ama no ende omu twana da power Facebook Kenya asem keto akra but ni na mu no esan odo wo de ma omampani dada John Dramani Mahama nti no emfa ne ho obekosoa akasa de ama NPP NDC amayoku na eniema omo eya enye no obekosoa aka kire omo na Mary na okase o kire se ewom se odo NDC amayoku no edo omampani dada John Dramani Mahama but aside eno no oye Ghana ni enti se nyame bi koso wo memu na se enya or every right bia so woka so kasa ditia NPP amayoku no obom achi na eye NDC de dia ene se NDC fo nso se bia omo ye nyame hu na enya eno nso obeka Mary kire se ode odo omampani dada John Dramani Mahama na NDC amayoku no eto nchenya osusu say 2024 coming electioning ese say Ghana fo yeto abaditia NDC amayoku no na ye keep yomo in opposition again omo wo position for 12 good years na NPP break 8 no because NDC fo agro wo mo anu so yie papa NDC party no omo kasa ma NDC party no wo Facebook grassroots for ministers omo wom MPs omo wom empanifo omo wom na obi agro won eni so agro won eni so nti Ghana fo omo mana NDC fo ensan so nka opposition bio na omo ensu enyansa na NPP ento amembu ne so because kame akoye se sisie no the NPP fo ye NDC fo omo eye no enye se Ghana ho dadwen bi na edomo so na emo opposition omo atena che a omo pese omo ba no omo be wie sikenti na ayete se omo do Ghana nti omo pese omo ba because enyema NDC fo mu ye nyina enye sisi amu na mu ye minority wo parliament house amu opposition ayesa mu keep NPP on their toes na enyema omo ye ne enye na Ghana fo be omo enyema omo ya enye omo be jai na Ghana fo be fo mu ntuma pa efra no dabi NDC fo nya ne sa wogu parliament house na se bi osem hu kwa no omudi na Mary se beka ya 2020 abra to abawie no na ka enim se NPP ewo power de anka eba no majority side na anka MPs no chese gap na mu beso but emu anso sa if the kwaya 137 na yenya NPP nya independent bako na chese no kwaya 138 na NDC kwaya 137 enti parliament house won ho aye pinso esan se NDC fo omo ewo to make akrenti no NPP di adeba na so manga na kasa se emboa enti na NDC funjina no monkasa momo na eniema MPP de ba emboa no embongu na Ghana fonfom ntuma pemfra no dabi no mo akwaje bribe nizo mu dinsem hu ye beka ya omampani dad His Excellency na nado dankwa Akufo-Addo edi levy eba Ghana fo kasetia se NPP fo NDC fo munjina mo nanso na mo kasa magana mo na mo ya minority amu opposition si minority no so no mukra members inti munya na 11 ni wombongu okoto abado woye ya na 11 no etime eba so enano Ghana fo kasa se ye honorable Ken Oforiatta finance minister Ghana fo se the economy na ekọ na enye into ontina nchen kakra want to aba no wonyini fo waro eno so amba so na tese mo ko parliament house a decision na mo be take bia no mo ye te se mo do Ghana afi mo be parliament house abato ni bedu no na chese mo de agu baabi eniyama mo ye nyina kyerɛ sɛ mo nya fun position mo atena kyɛ a mo pɛ sɛ mo ba power enti ɛna mo yɛ saa na enyo dobi ɛna mo wɔ edema oman Ghana enti saa agro o mo ani so na eniyama mo yɛ parliament house wo yina no ɛsɛ Ghana yeto abedi etia mo 2024 na mo tena opposition sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a mo besua nyansa na kyerɛ bi power ne bekura mo a mo ahu dia mo ba yentie ensɛm a Mary Boadu ɛde ɛtudwa
obi antumi nka nkyerɛ mo a memeka akyerɛ mo ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ metan NDC ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ mempɛ John Mahama asɛm His Excellency onim sɛ mpɛ da asɛm paa but nokore da wɔ se yɛka sɛ deɛ yɛka MPP foɔ deɛ na saa na wɔse yɛtumi confront nokore no yɛka nokore nkyerɛ NDC foɔ no so nsamfo no dɔɔso wɔ NDC nim agorɔ no dɔɔso wɔ NDC nim agorɔ no dɔɔso moka asa atemdidie wadi akufu ado atemwa meka kyerɛ mo sɛ chale montwa atemdidie ne so na moma mo ani nkɔ party ne so because niema decisions bi no mo kɔ so party ne mo a mo anhwɛ ya ebɛkɔ against mo enwemere so magye mani so the party went and made a decision and it has been implemented. Well, it has backfired. So whatever you thought that decision was, the NDC, shame on you, it has backfired. Let's listen to it one more time. Let me turn my camera and go.
That's the end of the story.
End of the story. They are saying the end of the story. So anybody who went type Ken must go, you are a dodo. Broni besi we a dodo. Obi bia obakoko jina Ghana ni bia obakoko jina baby after the SC anadri akwa type Ken must go bia no we a dodo. Who name the cry friend dodo? Google it. Google out who the friend dodo. That is the end. And this is why I keep saying maybe make me do NDC but maybe we need to keep NDC in opposition one more time. 12 years. Maybe keep them in opposition because NDC4 have a sense of entitlement. NDC4 has some sense of entitlement, need some arrogance, be abamo. Because now we feel say Kufuor failing. Today, Mwankasa, the work of Mohand, Mwankasa with the game, no, as I share MPP for 17. What time game, no, as I share MPP for 17. Because of this one, sorry. What time game, no, as I share MPP for 17. Because of this one, sorry to say, this one stupid decision. I'll say it with no apologies. We are still speaking truth to power. This was a very, very silly, stupid decision. Whoever's decision this was, whoever made this decision. Ghana force papa ne yempeno. First time one performing. Your job was to get him out. Your job was to get him out. Ye niso tete ye no na NDC opposition e wo so ye adwuma no say yakoda adwene ho a ye as a party ya fa adwene say onko. So what is your business in censuring him? And now your censure too has failed. So who is going to take NDC seriously? See, His Excellency John Mahama, this is why I always come back to you and I always tell you, if you really want to be president again, you have a hell of a lot of work to do.